Pag ganyan kaganda ang tugtog ng pinapatulog mo. I feel sleepy because of the music. This is our my baby's lullaby. Michael learns to rock ang kanyang lullaby. I'm a babysitting now. I'm extra in 2 hours. Ang ganda pag nasa taas ka, oh. Diba? Lahat yan Daytec compound. Mga kamag-anak ni Ariel. Ang ganda ng sampayan, diba? Mga style o sampayan. Ang ganda ng sampayan. Ayun ang bahay namin. Ayun. Yung kulay gray na pinto, bahay namin. Puro mangga guys, oh. Ang dami na palang bulaklak. Ang dami ng bulaklak pala naman. Pero dati mas marami ang bulaklak. 3 months daw yan ang petsa ngayon. Tapos April, May, June, mga July. July yan harvest na, diba? Ang daming bulaklak. Sana wag malaglag. Mga flowers, oh. Sayang tong bahay ng ate ni Ariel. Pag ginawa yan, maganda yan. Ang ganda ng mga halaman. Oh, nagtitinda, oh. Ang sarap sana ng tinda niya. Wala akong pambili. Dito sa Davao, karamihan dito mga trabaho. In Davao, most of work of many boys or men here is mango picking, mango planting, mango harvesting. Yan. Diba? Yung babae doon, igsuo ng aking mother-in-law. Doon ako nag-Gcash doon. Doon ako nag-Gcash. When I get my price on Gcash over there in Leonora subdivision. This is actually the land of my mother-in-law. They buy a little lot to build a house. This is the Daytec compound. All of you see the nearest land is the all owner of the siblings, huh? Yeah. I speak English so that Sir Tony will understand, and the other viewers of foreigners and English speaking all over the world, they understand what I mean. Huh? Shout out Sir Tony, huh? Shout out. Huh? Sharon, shout out, huh? Inday, shout out, huh? Minerva, shout out. Sophia, shout out. Leah, shout out. Shout out to all of you that were there. Shout out all of my followers and subscribers. Little shout out. I'm a babysitter here now. I'm an extra babysitting 2 hours because the mother of the baby is getting her new what in English I forgot the teeth, you know, the postizo. Oh my god, I forgot the postizo. Sometimes I have amnesia. I have a problem with my memory gap, huh? I'm worried maybe I forgot my number and I forgot my channel and I forgot my love. Baby, don't wake up until your mother will turn back, huh? Okay, bye-bye guys. I have to be focused to my baby, and then it's already 10 o'clock and I will be joining in Minerva Linesa for entry. Bye-bye guys. friends. Have a good day.